Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which I guide you on creating a beautiful plant pots and vases. Today we will show you how to transform simple material into stunning home decor. First, gather your material. You will need items like empty cans, glass jars, or even old light bulbs. Don't forget paint, twine, or fabric for decoration. Let's start with cans. Remove the label and clean the can thoroughly. Use a hammer and nail to make drainage holes in the bottom. Now paint it in your favorite color and let it dry. Once dry, fill it with soil and your chosen plant. Next, we have glass jars. These are perfect for vases. Clean the jar and consider adding some stones at the bottom for drainage. You can leave it clear and wrap it with twine for a rustic color. Fill it with water and add your flowers. For a unique touch, try using old light bulbs. Carefully remove the filament and clean the inside. You can hang these as mini platters. Just fill with soil, add some small plants and hang them up for a quirky display. Don't forget to personalize your creations. Use stencils, washi tape or decoupage to add some designs that match your style. And there you have it, easy plant pots and vases that add charm to your home. Get creative and enjoy the process. Happy planting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.